last night, late night at around 11:35 hours, Varna police station has received a phone call saying that a motor vehicle accident has taken place in IDC Varna area inside. In this case, what we saw was that the bus number GA05T4777 carrying the passengers cum employees of Roshenberger company were being taken after their duties. There is a slope from the company when you are coming down towards the main road. Now this is a road, internal road of the IDC Varna from Titan Gate Junction going towards the Lotulim, the missing road. And the bus, when it was trying to either negotiate the turn to take towards the left on the slope, the driver failed in his driving and straight away rammed the bus into the hutments which were by the side of the road, which were done for doing the pavement works by the side of the road. There were workers sleeping inside, 8 of them. They got injured. 4 of them have died, whereas 4 of them are receiving treatment in Sub-District Hospital in Margao. The ones who are died are namely Vinod Singh, Anil Mahato, Ramesh Mahato, and Rajendra Mahato. The ones who are receiving treatment are Dinesh Kumar Singh, Tarma Mahato, Rajesh Kumar Mandal, and Naresh Singh. All are the native of Bihar. They were working for doing this pavement and gutter job construction through the contractor Mehboob Subani Sheikh. Now this contract, he's a supervisor, that's what he says. He's a native of Ramnagar and staying in Ponda. Whereas the contract is taken by one Abdul Kadar. He's a resident of Ponda and a native of Kerala. That is what is the first preliminary inquiry that we have got it. The bus was being driven by driver Bharat Govekar, age 52 years, resident of Kortalim. At the time of the accident, when our policeman saw him, he was smelling of consumption of alcohol. He too has received injuries and he too is admitted in the hospital in Sub-District Hospital, Margao. The bus is owned by the owner Nadeem Sheikh. He is a resident of Kurti, Ponda. The further investigations into this case is going on at Varna police station.
इधर से सीधा ऐसे चला गया। उसके बाद में जाने के बाद में हम लोग उधर बैठे थे, मतलब पूरा एकदम गाड़ी जाकर मार दिया पूरा आदमी को। एक एक करके हम लोग जाकर निकाले उसमें का, देखकर पूरा अंधेरा में।
कितना बचा होगा एक्सीडेंट?
4 आदमी मर गया और 4 आदमी घायल है। 8 आदमी।
एक्सीडेंट कितना बचा होगा?
वो 11:30
11:30।
11:30।
ये आप किधर काम करते हैं?
कंपनी रोड लाइन
नाला का काम करते हैं।
गाड़ी उधर से आया और इस पूरा टर्न मारना चाहिए तो टर्न नहीं मारा है, पूरा इस रूम के पास ले गया, पूरा हमने सीधा ले गया। देखो चाका भी देखो ना, चाका किधर गया है, यही मांगते हैं ना रूम के पास। 3 रूम एक ही बार में खत्म कर दिया।
3 रूम है इधर?
3 रूम है, 3 रूम का आदमी को खत्म।
एक रूम में कितना लोग सोया था?
एक रूम में 6 लोग सोया था।
हाँ,
लेकिन 6 लोग में 3 आदमी स्पॉट डेथ हो गया है। एक आदमी ले जाते बम गोली में डेथ हो गया। एक आदमी को इधर से निकाला, ब्लड देखो ना कितना ब्लड गिरा है।
हाँ।
जमीन करो, देखो ब्लड कैसा लगा है, इसमें से निकाले हैं हम लोग का। देखो ब्लड कैसा लगा है। जो आदमी वहाँ पे सोया था उधर से लेकर घिसेट के लेकर आया है यहाँ पे।